Hello everyone. Today I am going to give the presentation on web querying. What is actual use of web querying in distributed database? We all of use the internet. Suppose if we want search any information about any topic, for example hard disk, then we simply type hard disk word in search engine in browser. Then we will get lot of links where we will get information about that topic. This information come from different database system means distributed technology also used in web technology. This is content of web query. We will see this one by one. First we will see the introduction of web querying. Declarative querying and efficient execution of queries has been a major focus of database technology. It will be beneficial if the database technique can be applied to the web. In this way, accessing the web can be similar to accessing a large database. The web data are semi-structured. There are difficulty in carrying over traditional database querying concept to the web data. In that content first three issue, the most important difficulty is that data querying assumes the existence of strict schema. It is hard to argue that there is a schema for web data similar to the database. Second issue is that web is more the semi-structured. The link that they exist between web data entity, for example page, are more important. And third one is there is no commonly language for querying web data similar to the SQL. Keyword search has a very simple language, but this is not sufficient for richer querying of web data. Then we will see the semi-structured data approach. One way to approach querying the web data is the collection of semi-structured data. Semi-structured data model and language were not originally developed to deal with the web data. Rather, they address the requirement of growing data. Then we demonstrate this approach using a particle model OEM. OEM means Object Exchange Model is a self-described semi-structured data. Self-described means that each object specifies the schema that it follows. An OEM object defines a fourth tuple means label, type, value, OID. Label is the character string, type is a type of object, value OID is a object identifier. The type of object can be atomic and complex, in which case object is called atomic object, and in complex, in which case the object is called complex object. Atomic object contain primitive data such as the integer, real value, string, while complex object contain a set of other objects. The value of complex object is a set of ID. Then we will see the web querying language approach. The approach in which these categories are aimed to directly address the characteristics of web data, particularly focusing on the handling link properly. Their starting point is to overcome the sorting of keyword search by providing a proper abstraction for capturing the content of document as well as the external link. They combine the web content based query, example query expression, and structure based query, example path expression. Then we will see the Web SQL. Web SQL is the one of the query language that combines the searching and browsing. It directly addresses the data as the captured by web document that have some content and may include the link to other pages or other objects. It treats link as a first class object and identify a number of different types of link. The structure can be represented as a graph, but Web SQL captures the information about web object in two virtual relations, document and anchor. Document relation hold the information about its document. Anchor relation capture the information about link. Web SQL define a query that consists of SQL plus path expression. The path expression are more powerful than their counterparts. In particular, they identify different types of link. First, interior link that exist within the same document. Then local link that is between the document on same server. Then global link that refer to the document on another server. Then null path. Path expression that can be appear in queries. Web SQL allows scoping within a from clause in the following way. This is the query of from, where document content can be either the path expression or can be specified text search using mention, or can be specified can be attribute is equal to web object. Then we see the example of web SQL. First query show the, we simply search for all document about hypertext and demonstrate the use of mention to scope the query. In second example, demonstrate two scoping method as well as search for the link. The query is to find all link to applet from document in Java. Then we see the third example. It search for document that have a string database in their title, that they are the reachable from the ACM Digital Library home page through the path that length 2 or less contain only local link. Then fourth one, it find the all document meaning computer science and all document that are linked to the them through path of length 2 or less containing only local link. Then we will see the question answering. Question answering system have been extended to operate on the web. The web data source are accessed using the wrapper data that are developed for them to obtain an answer to question. Number of question answering system have been developed with different objective and functionality. In that contain 3 states. It attempt to guess the structure of the answer by analyze the question, searching for the answer in the collection. Then first we will see the first stage. The question is analyzed to extract the question phrase. Example, in the question, what is hard disk? What is the question phrase? It is used to classify the question. Second page is analyze the question answer pair in training data and generate the candidate transfer for each question phrase. For example, for the question phrase, what is the, it generate refer to and stand for what is hard disk. In third stage, each candidate transfer is applied to the question in the training data set. Resulting transfer queries are sent to different search engines. Thank you.